oyo kawiri mubumo omubunge o West Mugrango ni Vincent Kemusi nigo bona tugutera obochori obona bakagochoro no murebwense William Samuel Ruto uno mu high commission go jensemeri ya Ghana ejibona gotoka ose Accra ejibona gotoka ime ya Ghana kolengana na Kemusi aseri ukolia yali kagochia ase bosiwe bunge litukolia niga wento ikase bunge asikondali ekali huko na gotea buna nigo akanira obochori obuna koirera gotekera na bosiwe bunge asokolingo ligo koimene committee ya bunge Wosio bwekirogekyo ekibona beteka gochorwa no murebwense William Samuel Ruto kolengana na Kemusi aseri hukolia yaniga tebirubuna iganyarego kane kirogeki no gochoruko asenchira yebena nabo kuligereria mangana yege nkamo ne family egenta tebirubuna getamweli bagali yabena no gwanchira konyarego kirana asemere mejo asate birubuna na bwale gocha konyakora kolenda sebono nigo aligeri binte binge maiga yo kuligeri na koyeta kunengane yo niga kane kirogekyo abaka gochoruko chikobo moi commissioner asensemeri ya Accra kutoka senseria ya Ghana.
Our next nominee was meant to be Mheshimiwa Vincent Mogaka Kemusi, who was our nominee ambassador to Ghana. Unfortunately, Honorable Kemusi has declined his appointment and he has written to the clerk of the National Assembly, and I will read his letter to the clerk of the National Assembly. He says that I would like to give my appreciation for the invitation to appear before the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations on 9th April 2024 at Parliament Buildings. Pursuant to Section 10 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act number 33 of 2011, I wish to inform that I will not appear before the said committee at the time and the venue specified for the approval hearing. This has been occasioned by my personal and compelling family matters, which, after taking into consideration, will not allow me to take up the position of the High Commissioner to Ghana as nominated by His Excellency, the President, on the 9th March of 2024. Therefore, to save the precious time of this important parliamentary business, and as per the provisions of the Act aforementioned, kindly note and this letter serves as notice not to appear. Once again, I thank you for your invitation. In brief, he has declined his nomination as our ambassador nominee to Accra, Ghana. With that letter then, it means that we will not be able to transact any other business for this morning, since Mr. Mogaka will not be appearing, and we adjourn the session. We resume again at 2:30 p.m. this afternoon, the 9th of April 2024.